This is Crypto Ninja, broadcasting from a tropical paradise with a deal that could change your financial trajectory in 48 hours flat. All right, guys, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I'm constantly calling out coins with massive potential, from 100x and 200x to even 1000x. I've also been getting a lot of feedback from people who want to join RunnerBot but simply can't afford the normal price. So today I'm opening up a flash sale. For the next 48 hours, you can get lifetime access for only $170. I know one of the biggest things holding people back is simply not having enough extra money to invest in themselves. Whether it's investing, trading, buying a house, or pursuing another goal, money can be a major barrier. That's why I'm opening up a limited number of spots at $170 to make RunnerBot more accessible to my audience. Remember, this offer is only available for the next 48 hours. If you've been sitting on the sidelines and you're ready to get started, click the link in my bio to get access. I'll see you in the members area. And this offer could be the opportunity that helps turn your finances around and start seeing massive gains. Inside the members area, you'll also get access to a ton of videos, our community, and lifetime support. Whenever you need help, you'll have access to me. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys inside and helping you start winning with meme coins. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you at the top.